This is a 10-minute morning ritual from Circadian Zen. 10 minutes and the rest of your day shifts. No effort required. Just breathe and let this begin. Before you begin your day, place one hand gently over your heart. Take a slow breath in and let it go completely. Again, breathe in and exhale softly. This moment, right here, is where your day truly begins. Not in urgency, not in pressure, but in awareness. This is your ritual. Not to become someone else, but to return to who you already are. You are here. You are breathing. You are alive. And that is already enough. Let the day wait, just for a moment. There is nothing you need to prove right now. Gently bring your awareness inward. Notice the quiet beneath your thoughts. Notice the steady rhythm of your breath, and begin, softly, to feel gratitude. Not as a performance, not as something forced, but as a natural response to being here. Gratitude doesn't need a reason. It begins with presence. Let's begin with your body. This body woke up this morning. It breathed through the night without being asked. Your heart beat without your permission, steadily, faithfully, quietly. That is already a miracle worth pausing for. Let yourself feel that for a moment. Now, bring to mind one person in your life, someone whose presence, even if imperfect, has made you feel less alone. You don't need to analyze the relationship. Just feel the warmth of their existence in yours. And finally, your day. One small thing waiting for you today that, if you let yourself, you could meet with curiosity instead of pressure. A cup of tea, a walk, a task you've been avoiding that might actually go well. Let yourself imagine it going well. And from this place, remember something deeper. Your worth is not something you earn. It is your birthright. You were not born lacking. You were not born behind. You arrived whole. And that wholeness is still here. Even if it feels distant, even if you've forgotten, it has never left you. Let yourself rest in that knowing. Nothing about you needs to be fixed for you to be enough. Now, gently, begin to release what you are carrying. Not by force, not by pushing it away, but by loosening your grip. The past does not need to be solved right now. It can simply be set down. Ask yourself softly, what am I ready to stop holding on to? What would it feel like to move through today lighter? Let your body answer, not your mind. With every exhale, allow something to soften. With every breath out, create space. You are not your past moments. You are this moment, alive, aware, and open. And from here, a new perspective becomes available. Not forced, not imagined, but revealed. What if today does not need to be controlled? What if things can unfold with more ease than you expect? What if you are already in the right place at the right time? Let these questions expand your awareness. Let them open a new way of seeing. You don't have to chase the day. You meet it as you are. Now, let these words settle gently within you. I am grateful for this moment. I am grateful for my breath and the life within me. I trust the rhythm of my life. I allow things to unfold with ease. I am supported in ways I can feel and ways I cannot yet see. I am grounded. I am open. I am ready. Take a slow breath in and exhale fully. Let this feeling settle into your body, not as something you hold on to, but as something you move from. Your day does not begin with pressure. It begins with presence. Gently begin to bring awareness back to your surroundings. Feel your body, your breath, the space around you. And when you're ready, softly open your eyes. Carry this with you, not as an idea, but as a quiet knowing. If this felt like home, save it. Come back tomorrow morning. The ritual builds. Each time you return, you arrive a little softer, a little less armored. This is how presence becomes a practice. See you tomorrow. This is your rhythm. This is your space. This is your beginning. This is Circadian Zen.